Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another wig install. If you haven't subscribed and this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move right along to the video. So for today's video, I will be installing a unit from Arabella here. This is their packaging. This is what our wig came in. I'm just going to show you guys what I received, what the wig looked like straight out of the box. This one is actually their 26-inch deep wave glueless unit. So we'll be installing this one straight out of the box. So let's go ahead and see what came in our package today. So we received a goodie bag with some gifts in our package. So this is the unit we're installing today. It already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut for us. This one has the elastic band in the back. But if you want to attach the adjustable band, they did send us for us in our package. This is what our wig is looking like. It's already customized and ready to wear. It is super easy to install. It's a quick grab and go unit. So let's move along to the install. So before I put my wig on, I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair on my natural hair. They did send us a edge brush, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that baby hair on my natural hair because it acts as edges for a wig. It makes the wig look super natural when you pull your hair back. But yeah, I really like making baby hair on my natural hair. So I'm using my Let's Jam to make my baby hairs. So I didn't like overdo it with the baby hair. I try to keep it as simple as possible because they're only going to show when you like pull the sides of the wig back because it is a glueless unit. This one has a lace, it's a 6x5, so it has that nice deep part, but once it goes to the forehead, it's like side to side, so it's not going to show until you actually pull the wig back to style it. So I'm not like going overboard with it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. They did send us a HD wig cap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. So this one is actually super thin. It's thinner than the ones that I used to. I actually love this. So I'm about to apply some foundation on the wig cap. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't like blend. Even though it's like a super thin wig cap, it doesn't blend with my skin. It doesn't blend with the wig. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of foundation. So now I'm about to put my wig on, and again, they didn't put the adjustable band in there, but they sent it for you. So if you want to apply it, then you can go ahead and do that. They also sent us a super strong tape, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the back because for my glueless unit, I really do love like extra security in the back of my wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the tape to the elastic band so that it just sits better on my head. We can't afford any accidents outside. So this is what our tape looks like in the back. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put our wig on. Alright, so what I was saying about the baby hair, it only shows when you try to like style the unit. So you don't want to go like overboard and putting too much baby hair on there because it's not going to show. Like the wig is designed to like look super natural without the actual baby hairs. But if you style your unit like this, then you might want to create some baby hairs on your natural hair. So this is what the unit is looking like. I love these curls. I'm not gonna do anything to them. I might apply a little bit of mousse, but I'm definitely keeping the curls because they're super pretty. I love what it's given. And I also might just cut off a little bit more off of the lace, but overall it is pretty good. I could definitely wear it like this by just applying some foundation to the unit. It's giving off a really pretty look, and this is it straight out the box. No form of manipulation to the unit. This is it straight out the box. Super pretty. I love the curls. I'm definitely keeping these curls. And let's go ahead and finish up the unit. Push the hairline back a little bit so I can see what I'm doing when I'm cutting the lace off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of wax stick to the unit. So this is what the wig is looking like after I finish installing it. I really want to style this unit for you, but I wanted to show you how gorgeous this unit is, like straight out the box install, and it is so pretty. Plus it's 100% glueless. Listen, it is giving us a really pretty look. I love how this looks. Super pretty. Love the curls. I decided I was gonna keep the curls from the beginning because they were just so freaking pretty, and this is it. I love it. Super gorgeous. So let's go ahead and style the unit. I have no idea what I'm about to do to it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. The unit turned out gorgeous. It is super pretty. I love what it's given. This is it. Again, this unit is from Arabella here. This is their 26-inch glueless deep wave wig, and I'll definitely give this a 10 out of 10. It's just a 10 for me. It is super pretty, very easy to install, super versatile. I love the unit. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in another video.